Hi everyone! Welcome to the whole new series called Explore Together. I like traveling and I like visiting the local markets and restaurants to discover the local food. I think it's an eye-opening experience that I can learn about new ingredients, new flavor, and new cooking ways. I sometimes even take a cooking class when I go traveling, and here are some pictures that I joined a cooking class with my cousins in Vietnam. We had so much fun and we felt inspired to try the recipes at home. Okay, let's get back to the topic. We cannot go traveling and enjoy the yummy local food due to the pandemic, but I think we can take this time to brush up on some of the local dishes and learn to make them at home. I think it's a very creative idea as we feel connected to our favorite travel places and we can tackle the COVID-19 travel anxiety. Today I'm gonna share with you all 4 easy to make delicious local toasts from my home country, Hong Kong. If you miss all the delicious food in Hong Kong, or you may feel sometimes a little bit bored of eating the boring plain toast, you definitely need a try of the Hong Kong style toast. The recipes are very easy and very quick, and you just need to prepare a few basic ingredients to make the toast. The toast tastes really good, and they are perfect for breakfast or tea time. I wish you all enjoyed today's topic, and let's get started. The first one I would like to share a very classic afternoon tea time special. It is Hong Kong style French toast. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We have bread, butter, peanut butter, eggs, and honey. First, prepare 2 eggs and beat the eggs. And then put it in a shallow container that can hold the bread slices, like this. We need 2 slices of thick bread. Actually, I just buy it from a random bakery, or you may easily find it from the supermarket. If you want to know how thick the bread is, I'm not sure, but I guess it's between half and 1 inch thick. Cut the edges of the bread, so it makes it easier to dip and coat the French toast later. Okay, spread the peanut butter between the bread. I quite like the creamy peanut butter from Skippy. You may try it if you don't have peanut butter at home or you don't have any idea to buy which one. When you finish spreading the bread, you may close the sandwich, like this. Then dredge the sandwich into beaten egg on front and bottom, as well as all sides of the bread, until soaked in. Hey, almost forgot to remind you guys that don't leave it too long in the egg batter, or else it will be too soft or mushy. Okay, now we are ready to make the toast. Add a little oil to the frying pan. Put the bread on the frying pan and pan fry it until golden brown. Actually, you don't have to fry it with high heat because the bread will easily get burnt, so you may just pan fry it with low heat patiently. Okay, so after around 5 minutes, the bread is turned to golden brown and the toast is ready to be served. It smells so delicious. Let's move the toast to a plate for serving. Last, we can add a pat of butter on top and honey or golden syrup as well. Serve immediately and enjoy! This is probably one of the classic afternoon tea time special at most Hong Kong Cha Chaan Teng. P.S. Cha Chaan Teng is how we call the local cafes in English. The Hong Kong style French toast is so delicious and so good with a sweetener over top. I hope you guys will love it too. Let's head over to the second one. I would like to share a super easy sweetened condensed milk bun. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We have bread, butter, and condensed milk. So you only need to have 3 ingredients on hand for this crispy bun. And let's get started. People usually use shop baguette or brioche buns, but I cannot find them in the supermarket nearby, so I chose to use a burger bun instead. Slice the bread in half. Don't cut them all the way. Make sure the 2 sides can be laid flat but are still connected. Now we can toast the bread. I'm going to make the toast in the oven instead of a toaster, so put the bread into the oven and broil them on high. The temperature is quite high, so the bread can be burnt to a crisp quickly. And if you want the bread looks more browned, you can boil it for a little bit longer, but you have to check it frequently. I usually use a glass jar to store the condensed milk, and the condensed milk I'm using is from Nestle. This brand is quite famous, and many of our local Cha Chaan Teng use the condensed milk from this brand too. Okay, the bread is now ready, and let's take it out from the oven. Now we can apply a pat of butter on each slice. Drizzle with condensed milk and spread the milk on top as well. Alright, the sweetened condensed milk bun is perfectly done. Hong Kong style breakfast staple consists of a bowl of macaroni soup and served with fried eggs and a slice of bread. If you are bored of eating your plain toast, you may try to make the condensed milk bun next time. Not only because it is simple, but it will totally revolutionize your morning toast routine. For the next one, I would like to share thick toast with fresh butter. Let's have a quick look of the ingredients. We have thick bread, condensed milk, and butter. First, we need 2 slices of thick bread to make the toast. I bought this pack of sandwich bread from a convenience store. It is a crustless sandwich bread, so I don't have to spend time to cut the crust from the bread. So take out 2 slices of thick bread and let's toast the bread. If you have a toaster at home, you may use the toaster. And if you, just like me, don't have one, you may put the bread into the oven and boil it until it's burned to a crisp. Okay, so after around 3 to 4 minutes, the toast is ready and let's take it out from the oven. You see, the toast is now so crispy. We can now drizzle with a little bit of condensed milk and spread the milk on top. Okay, take out the frozen butter and put 4 slices of thick cut butter onto the toast. Finally, close the sandwich and cut the sandwich into 4 pieces, like this. Thick toast with fresh butter is nicely done. The toast is crispy and hot outside, and the butter is soft and cold inside. The taste is so rich and layered. Mine is not that good looking as the one in local Cha Chaan Teng, but believe me, you will definitely be surprised on the first bite. So I really recommend you to try to make this butter toast at home too. Let's head over to the last one. Let's make a combo of condensed milk, peanut butter, and jam toast as a filling afternoon tea together. Let's have a look at the ingredients. We have thick bread, condensed milk, butter, peanut butter, and jam. We need 3 slices of thick bread to make the toast. And let's cut the bread in half so it will be easier for us to spread the bread later. Again, if you have a toaster at home, you may use a toaster. And if you don't, you may put the bread into the oven and boil it for around 3 to 4 minutes until it's burned to a crisp. Let's see what I've got for the spread. I have condensed milk, which is from Nestle, peanut butter from Skippy, strawberry and apricot jam, and butter. Okay, now is my favorite part, and let's spread the bread. I'm going to make 2 different combinations of toast. The first one is condensed milk and peanut butter. So spread a little bit of condensed milk onto 1 slice of bread. And spread the peanut butter onto another slice of bread. Close the sandwich with a plain toast in between. So it's done for the first one. Isn't it so easy? So for the toast with butter and jam, it's the same as what we just did. Spread a little bit of butter onto 1 slice of bread. And spread a little bit of jam onto another slice of bread as well. Put the toast together with a plain toast in between. Perfect! It's done! So we now have 2 classic flavor combinations of toast for afternoon tea today. These 2 toasts I just shared are common items on any Cha Chaan Teng menu. Actually, you may feel free to decide the spreads you want to add on to the toast, like honey, condensed milk, Nutella, jam, or even anything you can find in your fridge at home. So if you are looking for some easy recipes for tea time at home, have a try of the Hong Kong style toast. It is easy, quick, and delicious. You guys must be very interested to know why I started doing English video. The reason why is simply I would like to expand my connection, connecting with more people and sharing more cooking ideas, especially introducing more delicious local dishes from Hong Kong with you all. Honestly, I think my English is far from perfect and I think there's room for improvement. But I think practice makes perfect. The more I speak, the better I will be. So give me a thumbs up if you think I should continue trying. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I do. Please also like and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!